Hello, my name's Mel, welcome to my world, and for those of you that are new to my channel, I'm currently turning this Mercedes Sprinter into an off-grid, go anywhere, sleep anywhere. It was kind of stealthy camper van, so if that's something that interests you, then please do consider subscribing to my channel. And I'd also like to say thank you to everyone that has subscribed to my channel so far. I really do appreciate all of your support. Now, in my last video I was rather excited over my little swing out table, so please forgive me for my excitement in this video, because it's going to be no different. I'm really excited because I've got some special, very special curtains that have been made for my van. And I say special because a subscriber reached out to me, Carlo, thank you very much, and he offered to make some curtains because he had some material left over from a previous project that he felt would go really well in my van. So he reached out to me, like I say, and said, would you like me to make you some curtains? And I'd like to make you these curtains just as a massive thank you for all your hard work and all the videos you make, and you've inspired me to make my own camper van. So this is Carlo's way of thanking me, and I'm really grateful. Not only did he make these curtains specifically for my van, his son videoed the whole process, and I've watched the video and it's fascinating. I never realised so much work went into making a set of curtains. So Carlo, thank you very much, and if you want to see that video, I'll put a link right across there so you can watch that video of these curtains being made. And I'll also put a link in the description of this video to Carlo's website and his online shop. So if you're interested in having curtains made for your van, then please do get in touch with him. And looking at the video that he made, a lot of work goes into these curtains. So let's open this box and see what's in the box. I've not seen them yet, so I'm quite excited, as you can probably understand. Right, let's just lower you down a bit to make sure you can see. I'll find an appropriate murder weapon. Sign of the times, right? Okay, so let's open this box and have a look. Let me just check, make sure you can see it. Down a bit. That's it. I might move this out a bit actually. I just love this table, don't you? Now I'm going to be really careful opening this because I'm not sure how it's packed. So I've got to be very careful. The last thing I want to do is damage the contents. Oh, that's okay, we've got plenty of room there. Oh mate, look at that. He's even given me a curtain round. Carlo, I'm so touched by this, honestly mate. I really do appreciate this. Look at that. And the colour is perfect. Oh my days. I think that's a bit of spare material as well. I could actually use that for my side posts around the doors. Right, how's this packed? I'm trying to be as careful as I can, but I am excited. No, it's no good, I'm just going to have to cut it open. Oh, here we go. Oh, look at that. Would you look at these? Look at the quality of that. Unbelievable. And to think Carlo has made these for me just to say thank you for all the hard work I've done and put into making the videos. That is unbelievable. That is quality. Look at that. I think he's done 4. I was only expecting 2. Yeah. Oh, that's amazing. Oh. It's gonna look so nice. I'm gonna try and figure out how these fit. I'm gonna figure out how these rails go. Yeah, I'm sure it won't take long to figure out. So I'll figure out how it all goes together, and then I'll get back to you. Right, so I've had a look and they look pretty self-explanatory, all but one little thing. Now when Carlo sent me an email about how he packed these, he said he'd cut the runners in half, but he'd added some pins to join it, and I think that's why these are loose. So I figured out you need to turn this like that, and then all that falls off. But he's put those on there to protect these pins. I remember in the email he said he'd put something on the end to protect the pins. I wasn't really quite sure what he meant, but these little pins, as you can see, are made so that they join together. I'm not going to put this together just yet. So these pins hold the rail together, and then this one I shall undo it and put it above the join to give it a little bit more support. From the email he sent me, I think that's what he means. Okay, so that's my next job. Just put them all together, screw them up. I'm so excited. So I've put them together using those two location pins to simply just slide it together, and it is quite strong. It's not that, yeah, I think that's quite strong actually. So I'll just show you close up. You can see the joint just there. And you can see where the pins go through to join the two runners together. Really smart idea that. It's brilliant that, I like that. Now I want to get this in the middle, so what I'm going to do before I attach everything, I'm just going to make a mark where the centre is, and the easy way to find the centre is simply use the runner, I think. So I'm just going to put that there. Make sure there's a little tiny gap each end, which is absolutely perfect. And I'm going to make a little mark there. I think the best way to fit this is to actually take these off, and then I've got a clear path to screw them up. Yeah, the back screw, I think if you try putting a screw in that back hole, you're going to damage this runner. So we don't want to do that. We don't want to make any marks on it. So I'm going to take all those off now and then screw them up, and then affix the runner to those. I think that's probably the best way to go. Hold the phone, scrap that idea. Look what's in this little bag. I forgot to look in the envelope. Look, there's these other little clips that go up underneath. These are much better, more suited for this. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use these little clips instead. Thank you, Carlo. Brilliant. Right, so my rail is now up, as you can see. I used those little clips. Wasn't easy, but nevertheless I got them in now. Now look at the quality of this. I've never seen these before. These clips are actually adjustable. They go down on a little ratchet, so you can even adjust the height of the curtain. How cool is that? Told you I'd get excited, didn't I? Right, so I'm going to put these, I don't know, yeah, I reckon about there. So I'm going to adjust these so they're all the same, and then hang the curtains up. Look at that. I think that's about the right height. Right, now the next one. Now they've got to be the poshest curtains I've ever had in a camper van, ever. Just take a look at that. Absolutely brilliant, absolutely brilliant. I love it, absolutely love it. There's little tiny things like this that make your self-built camper van a tiny home, and they really do set this off, and they really do just finish it off so nicely. Now all I've got to do is the other side. I've got to say, putting that second rail up was so simple. Once I got my head around how the clips all work, it was really easy. It took me literally 5 minutes to put that up, whereas this side was a little bit longer. Nevertheless, these curtains really do set off my side windows. They make it look so nice. Now, if you're interested on how I fitted these side windows, just for those of you that haven't seen that video, I'll put a link up here to that video just for you guys, and also put a link at the end of this video to the video of me fitting these side windows. Right, now back to the curtains. Check this out. Look what this looks like. If I close this side, and I'll close this side, and it's still quite light in here, but if I put these lights on, oh, doesn't that look nice? You've got a bit of light coming from here, but just you can see how cosy that's going to look. I'm really pleased with that. I'm so grateful, Carlo. Thank you so much. Now, if you're interested in where I got these curtains from, check out Carlo's website. I'll put a link in the description of this video. I'll also put a link there to his Instagram account, so you can check out all the previous projects that he's done. There's loads of photographs on Instagram of all the wonderful curtains and drapery that he's created over the years. And it is a small family business, so if you're in the market for curtains for your camper van, then why not go check out his website. I'll also put a link to his video in the description as well, the video of him making these curtains. It's fascinating, so please do go check that out as well. Well, if you like this video, please do give me the thumbs up, and don't forget, if you are new to my channel, please do consider subscribing, and by subscribing to my channel you help save the local wildlife, because I've got 2 cats and they're both hungry. What better reason do you need than that to subscribe to someone's channel? Thanks for watching. Ta for now.